Hi, Courtney. In what way have you experienced the use of technology to assess learning in the classroom?
Well, in my volunteer placement classroom right now, I'm in a skill class, so I asked my volunteer teacher the exact same question, or like how she uses technology to assess learning. So one of the ways she told me was she has this math website. It's called ixl.com, where the students can take the work home, or they do just different math assignments. So in this question is how many bells are there, and they have to count, put the answer in, and submit. So when they submit all their answers, the teacher gets reports back, so she can assess their learning on how well they did or if they did bad and stuff. Another way she told me was using the iPad, where it's really good since like the students in my class, they have really low cognitive ability, so they function at like a kindergarten level. So another app on the iPad is SightWords, where it focuses on words that must be memorized instead of sounding out the words. It gradually builds up their skills in word memorization. Those were the main two. I think the iPad is a great source to assess learning because she also used the computer where she typed out different letter patterns, and her students had to type the exact same pattern out, and there again she can see how to assess them. So I feel like in a skill class it's really needed to use technology to assess learning.
It's really beneficial.
Yes,
Awesome. Well, thank you.
you're welcome. Hi Jen, how would you use technology to assess learning?
I'm still kind of undecided about how I feel about using technology to assess learning. I think that it can be really beneficial in some cases, and then in others, I don't know how, as of right now, how I would actually use that.
All right, so Courtney got an opportunity to see how technology is used to assess learning within a skill class. This gave me a new perspective on how technology can be applied to assess learning in a classroom. With this in mind, now I see that there is a variety of tools that I can access and hopefully implement within my teaching. Thanks for watching the latest episode of
Jen,
and Courtney's
Technology and Education Journey.